This is the 2017 Rocky Mountain Maiden. I bought this bike used and I raced it for half a season. My favorite part about the bike is that it's fast, but at the same time it's playful. My least favorite part about the bike is that on the trail it can be loud. Overall, this bike has been great for the half season I've had it. Now let's talk about the main components. For the front fork, I have a Fox 40 Elite without the Kashima coating. It has less adjustments than the factory version, but in my opinion, it's easier for the average guy to set up. In the rear, I have a Fox DHX2. This is Fox's top-of-the-line downhill coil. Finally, I have Shimano brakes and drivetrain. All the downhill parks are closed, so all the clips we got are either on homemade trails or old footage.